guys, Running Kimono here. So, oh my gosh, I did 4 transactions on one store card today, and the 14,000 stack is working over at Walgreens. Every single deal worked out perfectly. Transaction 1, transaction 2, transaction 3, transaction 4. I need to go buy a lottery ticket because, I mean, there was no problems, no issues. The one snag I had where I grabbed the wrong item, I got the cashier, or it was actually a manager who checked me out today. I got her to just void the transaction and grab the right Tresemme because I grabbed the one that was 2 for $10. So I stopped myself. But like, oh my gosh, guys, this is just absolutely tremendous. After everything is said and done with my Ibotta rebates and with all the points that I got today, I hit Beauty Club twice today because I think I bought just under $100 of merchandise. I think this was a $27 moneymaker after everything was said and done. And it is amazing when things work out perfectly. And we're gonna walk through all of this, and I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened and how the deals worked out, because I know a lot of you wait for me to see how this is going. If your store is going to be really unfriendly and not scan your beauty booster, or hold it hostage inside of a beauty bag, or tell you that you have to buy $25 of merchandise after all of the coupons, they're incorrect, because I was able to do it today 4 times where my balance wasn't more than 25. So I mean, if you're really new to this or your store is just super strict, I would pass. And that's just me doing this for a really long time. I know it's very difficult because a lot of this can be really like, it is like for intermediate or more advanced couponers, because there's a lot to remember. And when you're hot and it's 91 degrees outside and you're wearing a mask, sometimes things can be forgotten, but it's working. Hi to my mom if she's watching. It's 91 degrees and hot today. We're not gonna look outside because we gotta talk about these deals. Okay, so the first deal that I did, and I did this one purposefully first because there was a 5 off of 3 or a 5 off of 4 digital coupon. It was for Old Spice or possibly Olay, and I wanted it to attach to these products. So these guys are $6.99 on the nose, and I know a lot of people in the comments yesterday were saying, well, it rang up, 2 for $10 at my store, or it rang up for a different cost. Sometimes if there isn't a reset, which is a computer thing in your store, and it could be possibly last week's prices, or possibly this could be on clearance at your store. But what it is in the ad, and why I'm asking you to really pay attention, is because if it's not ringing up for $6.99, you're not going to get back your 10,000 points as part of the weekly promotion for this deal. So that's the little bit of method to this math. So these body washes are $6.99 a pop. That's $27.96. I got the cashier to scan my 7,000 booster. And then I had my 5 off of 4 digital coupon come off. I had to pay $22.96 cash out of pocket. Because this is a booster deal, you have to have that paid cash for the balance. So credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have. And then I got back 24,000 points. 14,000, 7 for the paper booster, 7 for the digital, and then an extra 10,000 as the weekly promotion for this of buy 4 get 10,000 points. The kicker of why this is such a stupendous deal is that Ibotta gave me back $1.25 for each, so I got back an extra $5. So it made this free plus a $6 and like 2 cent or 3 cent money maker, which is really fantastic. Okay, the next deal, I got 4 of these Olays, and I got all the same scent just to make it really easy on myself. They are also $6.99 a pop, so for 4 of them, that's $27.96. At this point, I got the cashier to scan my booster, which is 7,000 when you spend 25. And then I had a 3 off of 2 and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Both of them came off, so that's $7 right there. I had to pay $20.96 cash out of pocket. And then I got back 29,000 points, 10,000 for the weekly promotion, 14,000 for the double stack of the 2 different boosters, and then 5,000 as I hit Beauty Club. And to answer one really quick question, I know there's this coupon, the 4 off a 2, there's a $1.50 off, a $3 off, a whole bunch of other ones. Why I went with the 3 off a 2 and the 4 off a 2, they're the highest value for this basket. If you wanted to try and load all of the coupons, hoping all of them would come off, here's the harsh reality of what's going to happen. The smallest ones will come off first, and not all of them will. Because if you look at the verbiage of the coupon, you have to follow the limits of it. So I think to use all 4 or 5 Olay coupons, you'd have to buy 9 body washes. And since we're buying 4, that's why I'm suggesting the 3 off a 2 and the 4 off a 2 for the biggest savings. Hopefully that is crystal clear. Purchase of this and this. P&G Good Every Day gives back extra points for your account. So I'm going to have to photograph my 2 receipts and submit it to them to get extra points towards gift cards and for charity and all that magic. So this might be another gift card for me because I'm very close to getting one with P&G Good Every Day. You can get like Panera, Dunkin' Donuts, those sort of gift cards, and it's a free program, free to sign up, and they also have coupons on that site. So this worked out perfectly. This worked out perfectly. Okay, the next deal that I did was with the Tresemme and the Revlon Kiss Balm. So initially I grabbed a different bottle, and the bottle that I grabbed was kind of like more angled. It's in my screenshot for this video, or the thumbnail of this video. That is the wrong one. You want these ones, because these ones are ringing up 2 for $8. Those fancier bottles are 2 for $10. And we don't want that because that would be an extra $4 on your balance, so no dice. So 4 of these is $16, and then I grabbed 2 of the Revlon Kiss Bombs. They're $4.99 a piece. Now I had a subscriber write a very lengthy message yesterday about how it rang up buy one get one 50% off, and I think it was either on clearance at her store or possibly it was on last week's promotion. She bought it on a Sunday and it wasn't reset yet, and that sometimes happens. Especially if, you know, there's problems with computers at that store or the cash register or something like that. But these are ringing up $4.99 a piece, not buy one get one 50% off. That was my experience. So for the purchase of the 2 Kiss Bombs and the 4 Tresemmes, we have a total of $25.98. I got the cashier to scan the screenshot for me, and then I presented two off of 2s from the Smart Source of June the 28th, subtracting $4 for the 4 Tresemmes. So I had to pay $21.98 cash out of pocket, and I got back 14,000 points for the 2 beauty boosters. And then I also got back a $4 register reward for the Tresemme and a $5 register reward for the Revlon. So what a great little deal for me. The final deal that we have here is with the Coppertone. These guys are $9.99 on a buy one get one 50% off. I was trying to buy $30 of Coppertone because they have a deal that when you buy 15, you get back 5,000. And this sun care or sunscreen is also part of Beauty Club. So these are $9.99. This guy is $10.99. $10.49, pardon me. So with the purchase of 3 sprays and 1 lotion. And these were also on some of the products. So if you didn't have any coupons, you can use up to 4 of these. I mean, I used a 5 off of 2 from the Smart Source, but if you wanted to use like 4 of these, that would be $8 off instead of $10 off. So it's still a deal with the hang tags found at your store. So buying 4 of these, $10.49, $9.99, and these two were $4.99 a pop. That's a total of $30.46. I got the cashier to scan my 7,000 booster when I spent $25. I also had it loaded to my store card. And then I presented 2 5 off of 2s from the Smart Source of June the 28th, subtracting $10 right there. I had to pay $20.46 cash out of pocket. And then I got back $29,000. 14 for beauty, 10 for buying you know, $30 of Coppertone. It's basically 5 for every 15, but you can double that. So I got back 10,000 points, and then an extra 5,000 as I hit Beauty Club. Worked out really well for me. What I will suggest, because a lot of you are asking in the comments about, you know, stacking, like if you had the 7,000 off a 25 booster and like 5,000 when you spend 20, what will happen is the cashier will scan both of them, and then a message will prompt in the cash register saying pick one. So you can't stack 2 paper boosters. However, a paper and a digital, yes, you can stack, and I proved it 4 times today when I did my 4 transactions, getting 14,000 per transaction. So hopefully that makes sense. And if you're going to try to use a register reward, say with a digital deal, what might happen is your register rewards will come off and the digital coupons will not. That's been my experience, guys, for the last month or so, where my register rewards get picked up but the digital coupons don't. So that's very frustrating, and I wanted to use the 5 and the 7 here instead of that. So like a transaction like this one, if I had some register rewards going on because I was only using a paper manufacturer, or that one, I definitely could have done that, but I would have had to pick up like a candy bar or an iced tea to pick up that register reward. Actually, with this one, I could just use 2 of them because these had no coupons, but those did. So hopefully that makes sense and it's clear as mud, but this is just tremendous. I'm loving it. I might do another deal, maybe more Coppertone or something different tomorrow. Maybe I'll look for some skincare or something, and I have my 5 and 4, so maybe what I'll do is maybe pick up some Dr. Bronner's. Who knows? I'm gonna figure something out. One last deal that I did in the store, and this was just, you know, because I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, this guy was $5.99. I haven't seen a 32 ouncer of the Germex in a really long time. I know both my mom and mother-in-law are always trying to track down this stuff, so I have no problem using points to pay this down. This is not a beauty deal too. So this was $5.99, and then this guy was $6.79. We have one $3 digital coupon for this, plus IBOTTA has a $3 rebate for this. So it's 79 cents after everything is said and done. Oh, we have a cat outside. Okay, so buying these 2 items together, that is $12.78. The $3 digital for this one's coming off, so it's $9.78. Here in Michigan, you can use your points to pay down your tax. So I used 10,000 points, and then IBOTTA gave me back $3 for this. So basically it's a loss of $7 for this basket, but to get this massive thing and to use points to pay that down, I am like a-okay, fine with that. And $5.99 for 32 ounces, if you consider that, you know, the itty bitty ones are selling for $2 or $3, this is definitely where it's at. Check the expiry date on the back. This is good till 2022. I know my mother-in-law or mom would be so happy to receive that. So anyhow, guys, That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have fun out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.